really beautiful. So we've got these beautiful paintings everywhere actually. It's really beautiful dining space. Oh, it's really nice. So I'm gonna keep walking around, but we're in Krabi town and I like it. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. This is really fantastic. I think I'm gonna walk on this way. Yeah, I really like this town. Wow, cool alleys. Beautiful flags. Yeah, this town is nice. It's really relaxing here. Calming. I think we got a little bit of everything in here too. A little house. Dang. That's nice. At least wish I had a lot more time. We're just gonna go through some of these. It's still kind of a Muslim area in this area. Big mix. I think there's big Buddhism. I think I read that it was 33% Muslim and about 60% Buddhism. Some Thai, fresh Thai ingredients. Oh, there's a laundromat there. Let's see here. There's a lot of foreigners doing their laundry there. Yeah, another. A lot of artwork here. Krabi. Wow, look at that temple up on the hill. Dang. Yet another place I need to get back to again now. I will try to see as much as I can of Krabi while I'm here. But at the moment I have a very positive impression. Hello, how are you? Japanese restaurant? And then I don't know how easy it is to see, but there's a nice temple right up there. This town is really relaxing. Yeah, there it is. Kind of tempted to try to go to it, but I have this suitcase that I'm carrying. But I think we're gonna walk towards it anyways. Yeah, it's really relaxing here. So yeah, there's a temple way up there. There's also some cool artwork everywhere too. So we are going to walk in this direction. And on the way, you can see the stuff up there. So we might not go all the way up to the top, but we'll go near there. There's some pretty cool trees and everything up here too. There's trees. Okay. So I don't know if we're gonna walk up there or not. Let's see what else is here. Oh,
Ça te fait pas pitié, ça?
it's cool too.
Une bête qui se fait manger par un aventurier, ça te fait pitié? Ouais,
Beautiful
ça,
temple.
avec si peu de poils, ça tu t'en fous. Non.
Yeah, I didn't expect to Krabi had all this stuff too. Dang. Okay, so this is my introduction to Krabi, and very positive one. I was just at the beach in Ao Nang, and I filmed there, and I was like, okay, really nice, beautiful beach, limestone cliffs, and but I was like, okay, this is what everybody sees, and then and now I'm in here. So I just put the camera here, and so yeah, so basically I'm in Krabi town. I'm gonna conclude, and I'm gonna still film some more around Krabi as well. So, ah man, always wish I had more time, you know.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.